Tell y'all what to do in Grumpy Nation, right? I don't tell grown people what to do. I just put the information out there. Take it if you need it. If you don't need it, leave it. But when you living on a homestead, you got to have you some tools, okay? No ifs, ands, no buts, no maybes, no, I can get by. No, you can't. You got to have you some tools, Jack. Let me show you. Good thing I had me a battery charger. You see what I'm saying? Because I have my brand new generator sitting here and like, damn. Either I got to go run and try to find a battery to fit and line it up. Match it up. Or I can just run out here right quick with my battery charger. See, gotta have you some tools. Let me just show you real quick. Couple of things. Just real quick. Here go my little toolbox, right? My basic toolbox. Just basic. You want to have your basic little kit. Wrenches, screwdrivers, different little head tips. That's a torque tip. Of course, your sockets. You want to have a 3/8 set. 3/8 drive. That's your basic standard drive. You want to have your 1/2 inch drive. Right. This just basic stuff. This the 1/2 inch sockets. You wanna get your couple of things, little pliers, needle nose pliers. Just a couple of things, man. You got to have some things. Drill bits, saw blades, pliers, hammer, sludge hammer, staple gun. Gotta get you a basic tool set. Hold on, one more thing you gotta have your drill. Gotta have at least one drill. A power drill too. But y'all seen my power drill on the where that power drill at? Anyway. Chainsaw, out here. There go my big dog right there. But you won't have at least a basic mechanic tool set. Gonna have you some wrenches, sockets, pliers, screwdrivers, right? You got to have that minimum. So check this out, ladies in the Grumpy Nation. Tell you what you do. Buy hubby, your boyfriend, your fiance, Christmas, he don't need another pair of Jordans, okay? Don't buy him no more Jordans. Get a basic mechanic tool set. Lowe's, Home Depot, something like that. And don't buy the cheapest thing. Don't go to Dollar General and get that. Oh yeah, 50-piece tool set. Don't do that. Don't do that. Harbor Freight, you can get you some decent tools on the low, but you gotta have you some tools, okay? Don't come out on the homestead and be like, yeah, I'm finna live off grid on the homestead. You going right back to the suburbs if you do that. If you ain't got no tools, all right? Get you some tools. Don't buy the cheapest. Craftsman, Husky, you ain't got to get Snap-on the Mac. You ain't got to go that big, but somewhere in the middle. Because even with Craftsman and Husky, I think they got you can return it to the store. If it break, you just take it back and you Gucci. They'll give you another one. Harbor Freight, if you buy power tools or the battery power tools from Harbor Freight, get the warranty. Because if it break, they'll take it back. No problem. I had to do it before. But you get pretty decent tools out of there. All right, Grumpy Nation. Gotta have tools. Catch you on the next one.